What is a blog anyway? In short, a blog is a type of website that focuses mainly on written content, also known as blog posts. In popular culture we most often hear about news blogs or celebrity blog sites, but as you'll see in this guide, you can start a successful blog. Should you start a blog? One of the misconceptions about starting a blog is that you need to be a great writer to be successful. Nothing could be further from the truth. People read blog sites to get a personal perspective on things. To be successful as a blogger, there is really just one requirement: a passion for your topic. So why would you go to the trouble of blogging? There are a few reasons. To make money from home. To share your story. To get recognition for yourself or your business. How to start a blog in 4 steps. Learn how to create a blog in about 5 minutes following these steps. 1. Pick a blog name. 2. Get your blog online. 3. Promote your blog. 4. Make money blogging. Let's start your blog. Step 1. Pick a blog name. The first step to finding a good blog name is choosing your topic. If you're not sure what to blog about, there are a few ways to find a good blog topic. Hobbies and passions. Life experiences. A personal blog. Once you have a topic, it's time to choose your blog name. A good blog name should be descriptive so that potential readers can instantly tell what your blog is about just from the name. Step 2. Get your blog online. Now that you've got a name picked out, it's time to get your blog online. This might sound hard or technical, but the steps below will walk you right through and make the process easy. To get your blog up and running, you need 2 things: blog hosting and blogging software. The good news is that these typically come packaged together. A blog host is a company that stores all of the files for your blog and delivers them to the user when they type in your blog name. You must have a blog host in order to have a blog. You also need to have the software to build your blog. In this guide I will advise you learn how to build a blog using the WordPress software, because it is the most popular, customizable, and easiest to use. Step 3. Promote your blog. Creating a well-designed blog and writing great content is just the start. In order to get readers for your blog, you will need to spend some time promoting it, especially when you first start. Here are some ways by which you can promote your blog. Alert your inner circle. Use social media. Comment on other blogs. Engage with your readers. Collaborate. Post regularly. Create an email list. Submit to search engines. SEO. Step 4. Making money from blogging. Once you have put in the effort of creating great blog content and promoting your blog, making money from your blog is actually the easy part. You can sell advertising space, affiliate programs, and also offering of memberships. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.